In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Yahoo Mail. If you prefer navigating your inbox in another language, or you're setting up email for someone who speaks a different language, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to make the change and what each option does. Begin by opening your web browser and searching for Yahoo Mail. In the results, click the official Yahoo Mail link to go to the sign-in page or directly into your inbox. If you're prompted to sign in, enter your account details and complete any verification that appears. For privacy, avoid doing this on public computers and make sure you're using a trusted network. Once you're in your inbox, confirm you're in the new Yahoo Mail view. You'll know you are if you see your profile name or avatar in the top right corner and a clean, modern layout. Click your name or avatar to open your account menu, then select Account Info. This will open your account settings in a new tab or panel, so don't worry if the inbox view disappears temporarily. In the account settings, look for Personal Settings on the left side and click it. Inside Personal Settings, open the Preferences section. Here you'll find Language Preference, which controls the language Yahoo Mail uses across buttons, menus, and labels. Click Language Preference to open the drop-down. Choose the language you want the interface to use and then select your region. The region option is important because it can influence date formats, number styles, and even spelling variations. For example, English, United States, and English, United Kingdom display dates differently, and some menu terms may vary slightly. After making your selections, apply the change by clicking Save Updates or Done, depending on what your screen shows. Yahoo Mail may reload or briefly refresh as the new language takes effect. Most areas update immediately, but if a page looks unchanged, navigating to another section and back usually completes the refresh. If you don't immediately see language preference, double-check that you're still in Personal Settings under Preferences rather than Security or Recovery Settings. Also, keep in mind that this setting changes the interface language only. It won't translate the content of your emails. If you need to translate messages, you can copy the text into a translation tool or use a browser extension. That's all there is to it. You've changed the language in Yahoo Mail by opening your profile menu, going to Account Info, selecting Personal Settings, choosing Preferences, picking Language Preference, selecting your language and region, and saving your updates. Enjoy using Yahoo Mail in the language that works best for you.